Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing a clean, shaded workspace out of direct sunlight. Wear nitrile gloves and eye protection before touching adhesives and solvents. Gather a hairdryer, a 3-5-inch plastic scraper, microfiber cloths, and 70% isopropyl alcohol. Keep a roll of painter tape to protect surrounding paint surfaces and edges. Work on a cool surface and avoid direct sun heating. Plan the work in 20 to 30-minute blocks to avoid rushing and mistakes. Heat the sticker evenly with a hairdryer for about 2 minutes until warm. Test one corner by pressing a fingernail gently under the edge to lift. If it resists, heat again for 30 to 60 seconds more. Use a 3-5-inch plastic scraper to slowly peel at a 45-degree angle from one corner. Keep heat moving to avoid damaging paint or clear coat layers. Work slowly to minimize tearing and extra residue on the surface. After peeling, remove remaining adhesive with 70% isopropyl alcohol or a dedicated adhesive remover. Apply the solvent and wait about 30 seconds to soften the residue before wiping. Gently rub with a microfiber cloth until the sticky film lifts away cleanly. Rinse the area with water and dry completely using a clean towel. Finish by applying a mild car polish to restore gloss, and then seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.